We are all painting the canvas of our lives every day, but who decides the colors? Is it us or the people around us? We must be the ones to define our own lives. The world will always find faults, no matter what you do. When a person becomes a slave to the criticism of others, they live like a prisoner. But when that same person believes in their own talent and moves forward, they shine like a sun that the whole world admires. Let's look at a short story that explains this. Once upon a time, in a beautiful mountain village, lived a young man named Akash. Painting was his life. From the rising sun in the morning to the appearance of the moon at night, his brushes turned the beauty of nature into magic on paper. Akash worked for months to create a masterpiece. Thinking the villagers would praise it, he placed the painting in the center of the village. Below it, he placed a sign. If you find any fault or mistake in this painting, please mark that spot with a red dot. When Akash returned in the evening, his heart broke. The painting he loved so much was covered in red dots. Not a single spot was left untouched. Akash cried bitterly, thinking, I am a failure. The whole village hates my art. He was ready to break his brushes and quit. Just then, his guru teacher arrived. Seeing Akash in pain, the guru smiled and said, Son, paint the same picture again tomorrow and place it in the same spot, but make one small change. Following his guru's advice, Akash painted the masterpiece again. This time, he wrote, If there is any fault in this painting, please use the brushes and colors provided here to fix it. The painting stayed in the center of the village for 3 days. To Akash's surprise, not a single person touched it. Not one person made even a tiny correction. Akash went to his guru, confused. The guru said, Son, this is the world. It is very easy to find faults in someone else's hard work, but when asked to fix that fault or do it better, no one can. Ignore the critics. If you live only to please others, you will lose yourself. Everyone has a different opinion, and you can never satisfy them all. Your conscience is your judge. If what you do brings you joy and peace, then you are on the right path. Live for yourself. As long as you live just to show off to others, you are a prisoner. You are truly free only when you start living in a way that pleases your soul. Shine in your own nature. The sun doesn't rise for anyone else. It shines because that is its nature. Don't change yourself for others. Simply shine in your own true nature. If you like this story, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.